What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today's a very special day, a very, very special day, because we're over here at Magnolia Diner, and we're gonna have a little bit of breakfast slash, I guess, brunch, but it's a special day because, holy shit, the ghost has returned. The brother-in-law in the house, baby. Oh, man. Hey, today's Friday, January 30th, right? And the brother-in-law was actually off, man. 31st. Yep, 31st. And brother-in-law was actually off, and he was like, hey, man, let's go catch some breakfast. And I was like, fuck yeah, let's go, bro. So it's a good time, man. We just started. We probably gonna ride around for a little bit, not too long today, but we'll ride around for a little while. So if we end up hitting something else, we'll let you know. But yeah, we're gonna hit up Magnolia Diner here and catch some breakfast, and then we'll talk to the brother-in-law here in a little bit, man, and see what he's been up to and see why the hell he ain't been on the bike. working, baby, working. All right, man, we'll get back with y'all in a little bit. See ya.
Once I hold you lost, I know how I love.
All right, kinfolk, we made it over here to Yankees Tavern, man, and what a ride, hey, bro?
Hell yeah.
Holy shit, that was good. So we came down 3090, man. If y'all ain't never rode 3090, y'all definitely need to ride that road. But let me tell you something. That 477 that I thought was the road we were supposed to take, to get to 3090, it was country road 477, let me tell you, that's definitely a country road. That shit was all dirt the whole way, man. And then that cow was fucking right in the road. Oh my God, that was crazy. But it was a good ride, man. Definitely a good ride. 3090 is a good road, man. But yeah, so we're just gonna sit here, chill, man, for a little bit. And brother-in-law, how's everything been going since you ain't been out with us?
Working. Trying to make a living.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. But he's out today with us. And then hopefully we're gonna have some trips planned. I think we've got about 3 for sure. I know the next one we're going on back to the hill country, which I think y'all are gonna be going on, yeah?
Yeah.
Hopefully. So him, us, the wives, and Joel are all supposed to be going. Hopefully Trey. And then we're gonna be doing that in March. And then in April, Trey and I, hopefully the brother-in-law, are gonna be able to go to, we're gonna be riding out to Terralingua, Marfa, all out there, Big Bend. So we're gonna be trying to do that in April. And then in May, I think I'm gonna try to go to Just GQ, his event out in Louisiana. And then in October, Kelly B. Glyden and Bogey Biker are having an event out in the hill country as well. They had their first event last year. Great turnout. I didn't get to make it because I was working, but this year it's gonna be to where I can make it. So that's awesome, man. I'm definitely gonna be doing that one. So hopefully the brother-in-law can go to that one as well, and Joel and everybody else, man. So, but yeah. So the brother-in-law is back in the video. I know, hey, there's been people asking about you too, bro.
It's been a while.
They're like, you still ride with your brother-in-law? Yeah, man, he's here. He's here. It's just been, he's been busy. We've been busy. I haven't even been riding that much. So, but yeah, we're back on it today, man. And we're gonna hang out here for a little bit, enjoy this beautiful day. It turned out to be a beautiful day, huh?
Yeah.
Man, so gorgeous. So it's like in the 70s. It's gotta be at least 70, huh? 68 maybe?
68.
Yeah. So, but
Sunny, 68.
yeah, sunny and 68, man. Just beautiful. So, but yeah, we're gonna enjoy the rest of the day, man, and head on to the house after this. But appreciate y'all coming along, and I'm glad y'all got to see the brother-in-law as well. So
Yeah.
One more time, man.
Yeah.
So until next time, man, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.
out.
See ya.